I'm so sorry, Turtle. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. You can keep the chicken, you've earned it. Alright. Got me something. What are you? Hey, stay still. No moving, buddy. This fish is really slimy for some reason. What the hell? That an eel? What the? Oh crap! Can I eat that? Oh crap! I don't want to eat an eel. What the? Bert, slow down. I'm trying to free you, okay? Okay. It's raining now. Time to pack it up. Red wine supernova, fall right into me. Some fish here for fish pie. That was the sooty grunter I caught yesterday. It's got a decent amount of meat from it. Salmon, prawn, and some frozen basa. Yeah, this guy's going into the pie.